Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Mediterranean Killifish. This fish has a really unique shape like this. I think it's so cute with the cute patterns and colors like this. And if you are a collector, maybe you must have this one. And to get it, you can go to the Suburban Lake, this one. And it spawns all time, but except from the 6 a.m. until 12 p.m. or at the morning. It will not spawn at the morning, and then it will spawn at the sunny and rainbow only. So just go to the Suburban Lake over here. You can go to on here or Suburban Lake that near the locations on here or on here. Just go to the just go to the suburban lake that you want, and then if you want a higher chance to get it, you can use Fish Attractor or maybe Mermaid Perfumes to increase the spawn rates. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.